Hey, why females get drunk and get the hiccups? You know, man, they get the hiccups like little cartoon characters. Like it's a little episode of Tom and Jerry where you hiccup and a little bubble come out your mouth. Them little cute little hiccup you They don't even acknowledge them. They just keep talking all the way through them. Girl, where you finna go? Be in the middle of the club talking about some, this my fucking song. My little duty wop get drunk the other day and then get frisky talking about some, babe, let me just put my mouth on it. Let me put my mouth on it. Duty wop, I don't think it's safe to be closing up no hoes right now. Like, how you don't feel that?